My family was always in the service industry, and it was a natural for me to move into hotel business. So I started with 15 as a chef, then I moved out into service, waiter, reception, housekeeping, management, and then grew to general manager. At the Ritz-Carlton we have 3 sentences, and it's called the Credo. And Credo means I believe. So every employee carries this little card, and it keeps him or her to focus like a compass on our goal to take care of the guest. Lineup is part of everything we do, because it really sets the tone for the day and keeps us focused on what is most important, which is the guest. And this is really how we like to work, as one big team and one big family in Ritz-Carlton. Managing a hotel is like conducting an orchestra. To unify, set a tempo, and to listen critically, and bringing the individual skills and talents all together. There are 3 parts of service. One is the functionality, everything has to be perfect if possible. The second part is the emotional part. The employee truly takes care of the guest. But the third one is doing something so special that the guest never forgets. And this is really the responsibility of a general manager, to inspire that employees are empowered to do something extraordinary guest never forgets.